Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to make pilau. So what you all need is onions. These are like three onions. I have my capsicum here. I have 3 tomatoes. I have one piece of garlic here with one piece of turmeric. All you need is to grind them together, and that's the result. Okay, here I have tomato paste. You will also need to use pilau masala. I have my salt there, and this is my boiled meat. So let's get into the video guys and show you how to make pilau. Okay, the size of oil, I'm going to put this 3. Okay guys, pilau needs a lot of oil, but not that a lot, because we know oil is not that healthy. So after I add my oil, then I'm going to add my meat. There we go. We'll wait for like 3 minutes, and then we add the onion. So guys, I'm going to add the onions. We need to wait until the onion turns golden brown. We just continue to stir. You just have to be patient. By the way guys, please watch my adverts, because that's what makes me earn. So please just don't skip the adverts. So guys, our onions are almost ready. So the next thing that I'm going to add here is tomato, and as you can see, the meat has turned to brown, and that's good. And also you can decide to use potatoes. If you feel like you want to use potatoes, you can use potatoes while making pilau. And also you can, instead of beef meat, you can use either chicken. Yeah, anyway. And if you are a vegetarian, you can decide not to use any meat. Yeah, so the onions are ready. I'm going to add my tomatoes. There you go. There. So you have to wait until tomatoes are ready, and then I'll show you what to add next. So guys, I'm adding my capsicum. As I said, if you don't want to use capsicum, like, it's not a must for you to use it, but I'm just adding flavors here. So let's wait for it to get ready, then I'll add another ingredient. So guys, if everything is ready, now I can add my tomato paste, the mixture of turmeric and garlic and tomato paste. And don't forget the pilau masala. That's 1 tablespoon of pilau masala, the tomato paste. Now you have to stir for the mixture to be everywhere. The reason why I used my tomato paste is because I want to give it a nice color, and pilau masala, it brings a nice aroma, plus the garlic, turmeric. Now you go. So you can either decide to add cumin if you have cumin. So guys, my mixture is ready. I'm going to add water. So guys, since I'm going to use 1.5 cup of rice, I'm going to add water, which is 3 cups, and then there you wait for it to boil, then you add your rice. That's the last cup. Don't forget to add salt to taste. And so guys, that's it. Let's wait for the water to boil, then I'll come back. So guys, my water is ready. I'm going to add the rice, and that's it. There, you can stir for a little, and then you reduce the heat of your meko, and you wait. Don't stir like each and every time. You can see my heat temperature. It's not that it doesn't have to be that hot for it to have just simple time for it to be ready. So guys, we'll come back and check. So guys, this is how my rice looks like so far. I'm going to give it another 5 minutes, and then I come and check. So guys, that's how my rice looks now. So I'm going to cover it using a foil, and then reduce my heat to avoid it kushika kwa sufuria. So let me cover it and see. There, I've covered it. So I'll come back after another 5 minutes, and I think it will be ready, and I'll come and show you the results, guys. That's it. Pilau is so easy to make. You just need your time, and you'll be good to go. So guys, I've come back. Let's check. Wow, it's so dry. The aroma is so good, and that's it, guys. So easy to make. Yeah. Now guys, that's the end product. That's my pilau now. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and please share it with your family and friends. And until we meet next time, bye guys.